Kids, unfortunately, are introduced to science like it's a body of knowledge. But science is so much more than that. Science is all about trying to figure out how things work. In many respects, project-based learning mirrors what scientists do, trying to answer a really important question or to figure out what's going on with some phenomena.
When you go into a multiple literacies and project-based learning science class, you see something very different from traditional science classrooms that are integrated with mathematics and English language arts. They are really investigating things. They are really making observations, asking questions. They're developing models. They're arguing with each other about the science.
It was true regardless of what your race and ethnicity was, and it was true whether you were a struggling reader, an average reader, or a very good reader.
We actually move them up in their proficiencies, and so that is really strong evidence for using project-based learning in schools because it is different.